traffic.
Nice car horn. Nice car horn.
Wait, come back. I hate my car horn.
Does this happen to you? People go away because you've got a bad, boring car horn? Hello, I'm Tina Chensu. Does your car horn lack flavor? Well, come on down to car horns and more. Okay, this is what a regular car horn sounds like.
Beep. Beep.
What? No, that's bad. You need a custom-made car horn that speaks to you, like this one.
Beep, beep, I am your car.
Yes, that is my voice. Why should it not be? I'm an entrepreneur. At Car Horns and More, we've got all types of car horns. We have polite car horns.
Beep, beep, after you, Buick.
We have old-timey car horns.
Auga. What?
We have international car horns.
Honk, honk, bonjour, konnichiwa, fresh.
We even have car horns for ambulances.
Beep, get out the way, a baby ate a penny. Oh my God.
How do I do it? Well, I had a little help. Ask my cousin Kiki.
Hello, I'm Kiki Chensu, and I did all kinds of crazy cars. Do you need a car horn? Do you need a horn for a limousine?
Boom, boom, minibar. Hello, driver. Honk, honk.
What if you drive an airport shuttle bus?
Honk, honk, JetBlue. Bye-bye, Nana.
We have car horns for everybody.
What about me? I'm a scientist.
Try this one.
Here you go.
Bunsen burner. Bubbles. It's alive. Yes.
What about me? I'm a teenager.
This one's for you, girl.
Pass the clearer cell. Shut up, Mom. Jolly Ranchers.
Yes. What about me? I'm a soldier.
This one's for you.
Camouflage. Bunk beds. Drop and give me 20. Beep, beep. Private Benjamin. Right, left.
Thank you.
We even have car horns for people driving to church.
Hello. I'm coming to your house, Jesus.
We have car horns for the elderly.
Honk, honk. I remember when this was all farmland.
And for those people in relationships.
Honk. How could you kiss Denise? Oh my God. I can't believe you did this to me. This is a terrible betrayal. Beep.
Oh my God. So, come on down to Car Horns and More.
And get the fancy car horn of your dreams.